Hey everyone, Dad every day. This is going to be kind of a part 2 to removing the baffles on my 2013 Harley Ultra Limited. The previous video wasn't that close up of actually pulling the baffles, so this one's going to be a close up of it, of how to do it or how I did it. Again, everybody is going to experience different things. Now keep in mind, the video I'm about to show you, I've already had the baffles out like a week ago. So these baffles are gonna come right out. A week ago when I did it for the first time, probably took an hour each side to work them loose and get them out. But this is how I did it. Again, thank you everybody. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Have a good day. So before I show you how I got them out, I just wanna talk about the exhaust. Again, this is a 2013 Ultra Limited, and I believe the owner that had it before me had this Rinehart exhaust put on when he first got it. So I know Rinehart exhaust, the newer ones I believe, when you pull the end cap out, the baffle is actually attached to it and screwed into the end cap. Mine is not. When you pull the end cap out, the baffle is actually set in there, which you're about to see right now. Going to take the 3 Allen screws out. One here, one on the side, one on the bottom. Same on this side too. Here, here, and underneath. Pull the end cap off. End cap is off. This is the baffle. We're going to take a pair of vice grips. Clip it on here. Or wiggle the crap out of it. See how it's coming out? Ta-da! Baffle is out.